In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove duplicates in TeamGate CRM, and we're doing it quickly so you can get back to managing your business. If you're dealing with duplicate contacts, opportunities, or tasks in your TeamGate CRM, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to fix it fast. And we'll even show you a powerful alternative CRM that might suit your needs better. To start, let's talk about the basics of what causes duplicates. When using TeamGate CRM, duplicates can happen when data is manually entered more than once, or sometimes when syncing with other tools. This can lead to confusion and wasted time, which is why cleaning up duplicates is essential for keeping your CRM organized and effective. Next thing, TeamGate doesn't offer an automatic duplicate removal tool out of the box, so you'll need to use their manual process or integrations with third-party apps to handle duplicates. This might seem like an inconvenience, but don't worry, we'll break it down. First, if you've got duplicates in your contacts, go to your contacts page. Once you're there, you'll need to search for and identify the duplicates manually. This can take time, especially if you've got a lot of data in your CRM, so it's a process that can be quite tedious. The next thing you'll want to do is merge duplicates. After finding the duplicate records, you can click on one contact and then use the merge option to combine them into a single record. This is essential, as merging contacts will ensure you keep the important data, but without the clutter. Next thing, let's say you've got duplicate tasks or opportunities, something that happens when your sales team creates overlapping entries. Unfortunately, TeamGate's interface isn't optimized for mass task or opportunity merging, so you'll have to go into each one individually and manually delete or merge them. The fourth thing, TeamGate does offer some integrations like Zapier, which can help automate the process of syncing your contacts or data, reducing the chance of future duplicates. But again, these are integrations, not built-in tools, so you'll need to rely on them to improve the process. So, TeamGate does provide ways to clean up your CRM, but it's a bit manual and requires a solid understanding of their system. Now, here's the thing, there are CRM systems out there that make removing duplicates much easier. For example, some CRMs come with advanced duplicate detection and automatic merging tools, so you can save time and effort. This brings me to the end of the video, where I want to offer something special. If you're looking for a CRM that streamlines duplicate management and provides a range of features out of the box, check out the link in the description for an exclusive, extended free trial to a CRM that might be better suited for your needs. And just to make sure you're fully equipped, we've also listed some amazing alternatives that also have free trials, so you can compare and find the one that works best for your business. Remember, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits just for being one of our viewers. So, if you're tired of dealing with duplicates manually, or just want a CRM that's easier to manage, give these alternatives a shot.